Traditional fiscal and or calendar year earnings forecasts, P/E, price to earnings ratio. P/E shows the dollars required to buy $1 of earnings. SHIP has a P/E of 31.10. The average P/E of all the stocks in the VectorVest database is 62.12. EY, earnings yield. EY reflects earnings per share as a percent of price. SHIP has an EY of 3.22%. This is above the current average of 1.61% for all the stocks in the VectorVest database. GPE, growth to P/E ratio. SHIP has a GPE rating of -0.23. A stock is commonly considered to be undervalued when GPE is greater than 1.00. DIV, dividend. VectorVest reports annual, regular, cash dividends as indicated by the most recent payments. Special distributions, one-time payments, stock dividends, etc., are not generally included in DIV. SHIP does not pay a dividend. DY, dividend yield. DY reflects dividend per share as a percent of price. SHIP does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend yield rating. DY equals 100x DIV/price. It is useful to compare DY with EY. If DY is not significantly lower than EY, the dividend payment may be in jeopardy. DS, dividend safety. DS is an indicator of the assurance that regular cash dividends will be declared and paid at current or at higher rates for the foreseeable future. SHIP does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend safety rating. Stocks with DS values above 75 typically have RS values well above 1.00 and EY levels that are much higher than DY. DG, dividend growth rate. Dividend growth is a forecasted annual growth rate of a company's dividend based on historical dividend payments and dividend predictability. It is a subtle yet important indicator of a company's financial performance. It also provides some insight into the board's outlook on the company's ability to increase earnings. SHIP does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend growth rating. YSG, YSG Vector. YSG is an indicator which combines DY, DS and DG into a single value, and allows direct comparison of all dividend-paying stocks in the database. SHIP does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a YSG rating. Stocks with the highest YSG values have the best combinations of dividend yield, safety and growth. These are the stocks to buy for somewhat above current income and long-term growth. EVGVAL. EVGVAL is a 50-day moving average of daily volume as computed by VectorVest. SHIP has an EVGVAL of 7,642,047 shares traded per day. Percent volume. Percent volume reflects the percent change in today's trading volume as compared to the EVGVAL. Percent volume equals volume EVGVAL/EVGVAL 100. SHIP had a percent volume of 51.86% on Friday, January 8, 2021. Percent PRC. SHIP price changed 4.98% from the prior day's closing price. Sales. SHIP has annual sales of 69 million. Sales growth. Sales growth is a sales growth rate in percent over the last 12 months. SHIP has a sales growth of -18.00% per year. This is very poor. Sales per share, SPS. SHIP has annual sales of $1.02 per share. Price to sales ratio, P/S. SHIP has a P/S of 0.61. Shares. SHIP has 68 million shares of stock outstanding. Market capitalization. SHIP has a market capitalization of 42 million. Business sector. SHIP has been assigned to the transportation business sector. VectorVest classifies stocks into over 200 industry groups and 40 business sectors. Industry group. SHIP has been assigned to the transportation SHIP industry group. VectorVest classifies stocks into over 200 industry groups and 40 business sectors.